Hello everyone and welcome to my channel today. I got a request asking me to do a tutorial on one of these embellishment boxes, these little embellishment file boxes. I'm just going to add on to my file box here. I recommend that you use a large area like your table or grab a mat and put it on the floor, because this file box so far I have 10 pieces of paper and I'm going to add 2 more, so it's going to be 12 when I'm done. Of course you can make it as long or short as you like. The other thing I wanted to mention is depending on what box you use, whether it has a lid or no lid for one thing, and then of course the height and the width of the box. I didn't go all the way up to the edge. I decided that I went in about a ½ inch so that I could add my tabs, and then I can also put the lid on the box. Now if you don't have a lid on your box, you may want to go all the way to the edge here with your file system. So it just depends on what you choose to do. Now the tabs that I used is just a Mickey Mouse punch. Of course you can use any of your punches, any of your dies that you own to make your tab. So okay, let's get started. So this box size is 8 3/4 by 4 1/2. So the paper size here is 6 3/8 by 7 7/8. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fold it in half. Your design you're going to want on the inside. Okay, I'm going to pull my Make Art Station. Okay, and all you're going to do is put both papers together like so. I'm going to use this, kind of hold them down. Okay, and so what you're going to need is some washi tape. I like to reinforce my washi a little bit with some tape. And the other thing that I didn't pull is the clear packaging tape. Just going to put that down like so, and I just cut the excess off. Instead of adding the sticky tape like I'm doing right now, because I don't have the clear packaging tape with me at the moment, you could reinforce the back here with just some clear packaging tape and then turn it over and do the front side as well. And that's going to reinforce it a little bit more. I'm just going to fold it like so. Okay, and then you fold it like that. And then I'm going to add this to the rest of my file folders, but you just keep going. So this is my file here, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to this one here. I'm just going to use some magnets to hold it down. I really love the Make Art Station. If you don't have a Make Art Station, I totally recommend it. And then just fold it up. And fold them like so. I still have stuff in this one. So there's the front of it all together. Just fold it all into one like this. Here's the bottom of it and the sides. And then if you have a clear box, if you have a frosted or clear box like this, one more time you can adhere this to the front so that it's not just white. And the back as well, which is this one. So I just haven't glued them down yet. Just kind of have them sitting in the front and the back for now. And then you just put that in like so. Move the last one to the back, the first one to the front, and then you can kind of manipulate them to where you like them. So it will kind of so that they're not all gathered in the center. Kind of want them spread out a little bit. I actually still need to add the clear packaging tape to mine. I was thinking about laminating it, but that would just cost way too much. So I'm finally just going to add the clear packaging tape just to the top and to the back. So that is pretty much it. It's really, really quick and easy, and it's fun. It doesn't have to be a Disney theme. You can have it any theme you like. And so there you have it. If you did this on a smaller scale, I think it would be a really fun idea for Happy Mail, just to give to somebody in a cute little box where they can go through the each little file and see what you put in there for them. A little surprise. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!